Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the 10th standard maths topic relations and functions. Now I explain the composition of functions. The composition of two functions is a kind of chain reaction where the functions act upon one after another. We can explain this further with the concept that a function is a process. If f and g are two functions, then the composition g of f of x is formed in two steps. Feed an input to f. In second step, feed to output f of x to g to get g of f of x. Now I explain the definition of composition of functions. Let f of a to b and g of b to c be two functions. Then the composition of f and g denoted by g dot f is defined as the function g dot f of x is equal to g of f of x for all x belongs to a. Generally, f dot g not equal to g dot f for any two functions f and g. So, composition of functions is not commutative. Now, I explain one example. Find k if f dot f of k is equal to 5, where f of k is equal to 2k minus 1. In f dot f of k is equal to f of k, here f of k is equal to 2k minus 1. So we replace the k into 2k minus 1. We have 2 into 2k minus 1 is equal to 4k minus 3. So f dot f of k is equal to 4k minus 3. But f dot f of k is equal to 5 already given. So 4k minus 3 is equal to 5. We have k is equal to 2. Next I explain composition of three functions. Let a, b, c, d be four sets and let f of a to b, g of b to c and h of c to d be three functions. Using composite functions f dot g and g dot h, we get two new functions like f dot g dot h and f dot g dot h. We observe that the composition of functions is not commutative, but composition of three functions is always associative. That is, f dot g dot h is equal to f dot g dot h. Now I explain one example. Find x if g f of x is equal to f g of x. Given f of x is equal to 3x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x plus 3. So g f of x is equal to g f of x. This means g of x. So g of f of x function is 3x plus 1. So here f of x function change into f of 3x plus 1. Already we have the function 3x plus 1. So we substitute x is equal to 3x plus 1 in the given f of x function. So we have g of 3 into 3x plus 1 is equal to g of 9x plus 4. So g of 9x plus 4, already g of x is equal to x plus 3. So we substitute x is equal to 9x plus 4. We have 9x plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 9x plus 7. So fg of g of x is equal to, this means f of g of x. So f of g of x plus 3 is equal to f of x plus 3 is equal to f of x plus 6. Already we know f of x is equal to 3x plus 1. So we substitute x is equal to x plus 6 in the given function. So 3x into 3 into x 3x plus 18. So 3x plus 18 plus 1 equal to 3x plus 19. These two quantities being equal, we get 9x plus 7 equal to 3x plus 19. So solve this equation. 9x minus 3x is equal to 19 minus 7. Then 6x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 2. So solving this equation, we have the value x is equal to 2. In next one, I explain some functions. How to identifying the graph of linear, quadratic, cubic and reciprocal functions. Then graphs provide visualization of curves and functions. Hence, graphs help you a lot in understanding the concept in a much efficient way. In this section, we will be discussing about the identification of some of the functions through their graph. In particular, we discuss graphs of linear, quadratic, cubic, and reciprocal functions. Linear functions. A function f of r tildes to r defined by f of x is equal to mx plus c, m not equal to 0 is called a linear function. In geometrically, this represents a straight line in the graph. Some specific linear functions and their graphs are given below. Here, the identity function is f of x is equal to x. Additive inverse function f of x is equal to minus x. So this is some examples for linear graphs. In next one, modulus or absolute valued function. In f of r tildes to 0 to infinity defined by f of x is equal to modulus x, we have x, then x greater than or equal to 0, we have x less than 0, we have the function f of x is equal to minus x. So modulus function is not a linear function, but it is composed of two linear functions x and minus x. The next one, quadratic function. A function f of r tildes to r defined by f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, a not equal to 0 is called a quadratic function. Some specific quadratic functions and their graphs are given below. Here, f of r tildes to r, then f of x is equal to x square, x belongs to r. Then f of x is equal to minus x square, then x belongs to r. This is some examples for quadratic function. Next one, cubic function. A function f of r tildes to r defined by f of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is called a cubic function. So the graph of f of x is equal to x cube is shown here. So this form of function is called the cubic function. The next one, reciprocal function. A function f of x is equal to 1 by x is called a reciprocal function. The next one, constant function. A function f of r tildes to r defined by f of x is equal to c for all x belongs to r is called a constant function. This is some example for in a constant function graphs here. So linear function form is f of x is equal to mx plus c. Modulus or absolute valued function is equal to f of x is equal to modulus x. In quadratic function is equal to ax form is f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Also cubic function form is f of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Then reciprocal function is f of x is equal to 1 by x. Then constant function form is f of x is equal to c. So this is some graphs form in linear, quadratic, cubic and reciprocal functions. Thank you.